Hello everyone, welcome back to WayKen channel. I'm Tia. Today, let's unveil the entire process of a high-end headphone shell, from design to production, from machining to surface treatment, and see how we can deliver the 3,000 sets of high-precision parts with zero defect standard. The customers delivered a new model of headphones for the high-end consumer market. The shell was selected from aluminum 6063 material and anodizing. Therefore, in order to pursue a more perfect headphone appearance, the entire shell is designed to fit an auricle with an irregular arc structure, with a wall thickness of only 2 mm. The assembly accuracy is required to be zero tolerance. For CNC processing, this means difficult to clamp, easy to deform, and difficult to control the accuracy. We use a 5-axis CNC machining to processing the outer surface and customize the profile fixture to knock the tooth hole to minimize vibration and deformation. As for the inner surface of the shell, it involves multiple key assembly structures. We also choose to use a reverse vacuum clamp pressure plane combination to avoid scratching the appearance and ensure shape and position accuracy to ensure zero error in the final assembly. Then we use a 3D scanner to scan and inspect the processed part and compare them with the 3D model to ensure that the profile deviation from the 3D model is less than or equal to 0.01 mm. In addition, we customized a special inspection fixture according to the assembly drawing of the headphones to ensure the assembly of the parts. After overcoming the processing this complex headphone shell, the next challenge we will face is the surface treatment. The customers choose the 180-degree sandblasting and customize the color anodizing for surface treatment. The customers required that the appearance of the headphone must be extremely uniform after anodizing. So we use the same batch of material to processing and test the ingredients in advance to ensure the basic consistency of the material before anodizing. After that, all processed parts were put into the same anodizing tank, and the pure head shells were hung on the same rack for further control the color difference. We finally achieved the color consistency. So, how do we conduct color management testing when the color is consistent when detected by naked eye? By comparing with customer samples, we use a high-precision spectral photometer to test the sampled product and strictly control the color deviation values delta less than or equal to 1 to ensure the color consistency of products. From structural understanding, processing design to surface treatment, and the final inspection, we can always take customers' needs as a guide and use technologies to protect high-end products. Follow us to learn more about the stories behind how end parts are born.